Okay, so patching intelligent fixtures. So we spoke about type. The next thing that we need to do is we need to give the fixture its address. So it's pretty straightforward. The only caveat to this is that these fixtures are in Universe 2. And so we need to assign them to Universe 2. And I believe that fixture 1, channel 41, is in address 1 of Universe 2. So to enter that sort of address, we'll put in 41, which is the, let's select, right? Let's say 41 at, and it's in the second universe, so I'm going to say 2. And I know, and it's in it's in universe 2, but it's in channel 1. So I'm going to say /1, enter. And what that did is it just went ahead and said, okay, I know that you're in universe 2, channel 1, and I know from my fixture type, from the TechnoSpot fixture type, that it's going to occupy 37 DMX addresses. There are 37 DMX addresses on that fixture to control intensity and color and all the other stuff, and pan and tilt, everything that's on the fixture, right? Now, we have a couple different ways that we can look at this information. If you go to your virtual keyboard and you were to select format, right? Format, number one, will swap. It swaps address for channel. So I could patch from address to channel. At this point, if I type in, address 2 slash 2/41 at, now I'm going to channel, right? So it's address to channel 42, enter, right? So now I can see by address. There's channel 41, there's channel 42. That should have worked out. Oh, it's in a part. I see what happened. It's okay. This is useful sometimes for finding available addresses, right? So when you have available addresses or need to find an address where you can stick something in. But let's just go back and let's change our format, and we'll change back to this. And let's go ahead, and this is a good refresher. Let's go ahead and say 42 part 2, delete, enter, please confirm, enter, and so I got rid of that. So on channel 42. Now the other thing that we can do that is kind of fun and useful, we can change how our addresses are displayed, and we do that by clicking our data key, right? If I click data, you'll see that it actually changes to the output address. So it's actually outputting address 513 to 549. It's the second universe, and the first universe stops at 512, and this was in the second universe, the first address, which is 513, and goes to 549. We can click data again, and it sends us into a port/offset. Now that's interesting because if I scroll up back to where my dimmers were patched, you'll see that they now show that they are in universe 1, address 21. If I click data again, it is a hybrid of the two. Anything above universe 1 is displayed as the universe number / the address. So that's a little bit about how to put in the addresses for moving lights.